What if I tell you that one small piece of thermocol can stay on this planet longer than you and me? Every TV you buy, every fridge you unpack, every online delivery you open leaves behind a waste that never truly disappears. Most people throw it away. Some burn it. No one talks about it. But today, we will. This is Punravruta, and this video might change the way you see waste forever.
When we talk about pollution, we talk about plastic, smoke, and vehicles.
But there is one material that silently damages our environment without getting attention. That material is thermocol. It is light, it is cheap, it is used everywhere, and it is thrown away as if it doesn't matter. This is the problem that Punravruta is trying to solve. First problem, no decomposition. Thermocol does not mix with soil. It kills soil fertility permanently. Second problem, drain and water blockage. Because it is light, it flows easily into drains and causes flooding during rains. Third problem, harm to animals. Animals eat thermocol thinking it is food. It blocks their stomach and causes painful death. Fourth problem, toxic pollution. When thermocol is burned, it releases poisonous gases that damage lungs and the nervous system. Fifth problem, no value in scrap market. Most collectors ignore thermocol because it gives no income. This is why thermocol pollution keeps increasing. Thermocol is not a natural material. Its scientific name is expanded polystyrene. It is made from petroleum-based chemicals. That means it does not decompose naturally. Once thermocol enters the environment, it stays there for hundreds of years. What looks harmless is actually one of the most dangerous forms of waste. Plastic recycling works because plastic has value. Paper recycling works because paper is easy to process. But thermocol is bulky, difficult to transport, and costly to handle. So the system fails, and thermocol becomes a permanent waste. Punravruta was created to solve this exact problem. Our idea was simple: make thermocol recycling local, easy, and profitable. Instead of big factories, Punravruta works with individuals. We provide thermocol recycling machines, training, and support. Sometimes machines are given free, sometimes at affordable cost, always with a buyback system. Punravruta turns waste into opportunity. Step 1. Collection. Thermocol waste is collected from shops, warehouses, and construction sites. Step 2. Volume reduction. Punravruta machines compress thermocol into solid, dense lumps, reducing transport issues by more than 90%. Step 3. Processing. These lumps are converted into granules. Step 4. Product creation. Granules are used to make louvers, frames, decor items, and reusable materials. Step 5. Buyback system. Punravruta buys the recycled output and supplies it to manufacturing companies. This makes recycling sustainable for both people and the planet. Punravruta creates 3 major impacts. Environmental impact, less thermocol in landfills and drains. Economic impact, new income source for collectors and recyclers. Social impact, awareness that waste can create value. Punravruta is not just recycling thermocol. It is building a responsible system. To connect everyone involved in recycling, Punravruta has introduced a digital platform, the Thermokol India app. This app helps people find recyclers, collectors, and recycling solutions in one place. If you have thermocol waste, the app helps you connect. If you want to recycle, the app helps you find opportunities. Thermokol India brings everyone together to make recycling easier and faster. Thermocol is not a small problem, but the solution has already begun. With Punravruta, waste gets a second life. Support recycling, spread awareness, be part of the change. Because the future will not clean itself. We have to act.
Punravruta. Recycle Thermocol. Change the future.